up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be building a blacksmith slash weapons array display, and it's a little odd. I wasn't given the actual directions, except for I was given this, in which you can actually scan to get the directions. So it's on my phone, so it's going to take a little bit to actually get it built. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Otherwise, why am I doing this? Well, half of it's actually because it's therapeutic for me. Anyways, let's see what they have. Alrighty, so here they are. Not the greatest builds, obviously, but not the worst. I'm not gonna lie. Mildly disappointed because there are a couple of things that I kinda am convoluted on. It's supposed to come with a bow, and obviously it's missing. I did let them know that it was missing, but to be honest, that's the least of my worries. I have plenty of replacement bows. I can easily put it right there. But the weapon track isn't that bad. I just find it funny that you have the short sword and then the long swords and then the dagger at the end. It's not bad. It really isn't. The anvil really isn't that bad either, though probably could use a shorter sword. The shield, I'm a little bit disappointed by because they were showing marks on them, but honestly, blank steel shields don't bother me. I can paint something myself or put a sticker there if I wanted to, or just use it as a generic shield. Again, not 100% disappointed by that. I like the sharpening stone. It does move. So, yep. That's like the coolest part right here. Honestly and truly. The wedding station, the whatever it's called, tempering station, mildly disappointing because the water doesn't stay in, but it looks pretty cool if it was just to be stationary. And the one thing I'm highly disappointed by is the armor rack, because the helm doesn't stay on. As you guys saw, I was trying to mess around to see if I can put something there to make it stick a little bit better. But the only thing I can think of is if I take and make my own little thing. Hold on a second. Let's see if I can do that. Maybe if I take some kind of weapon tilt, maybe, or maybe if I do this, will that work? Oh, see, that's, oh, wait. There you go. Made it work. It's always great to have leftover pieces, because you can actually finagle it to actually make it work. But there you go. That's the smithery. If you guys have a weaponsmith, you know, just grab a guy with a hammer and just, you know, clink, 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 clink. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put the hammer right here. There we go. And now there's a hammer at the forge. So yeah, that was the weaponsmith I picked up. It really wasn't that expensive, so I paid $5 for that. Not too disappointed by it, honestly and truly. It is what it is. But I hope you guys liked this video. I like I said, I love making this kind of material, so let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to continue. Alrighty, peace out, like and subscribe. Bye.